show you how to start a Toyota Yaris hybrid car. So this is the key. It's a keyless entry. So this is the unlock button. So if you press it, there, it's open. So now it's unlocked. I'm in the car right now. So make sure you have your key with you, because if you don't have the key, it's outside, it won't start. So here, this is the key. You first make sure that the handbrake is up and your gear is on P. So you press the brake and then you press this blue power button. So you press it once. So there, this is the dashboard is on. So guys, the car is started, but some of you may not know that the car is even started or not. So because it's silent, so just try to move forward. There, and then handbrake down. Just try to move a bit forward, like this. So, this is the car. Pull forward. Guys, if you want to turn off the car, so just simply press the power button. There, you see this is off. So guys, if you just press the button once without pressing the brake, so only the electric things will be on. And if you press it again, the ignition will be on. So you can see this. You can even roll your window off the second time. But the car is not started. So to start the car, you just press the brake and then the button, and it started. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed my video and learned everything about my video. So make sure that you subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.